Hi guys, it's Austin here. I'm going to show you how to take apart my M16 water gun. It is an M16. No, I don't know. No, this is M4. This is M4A1. A1, I think. I'm going to call it an M60. But, it is mine. It is a water gun. If you can tell by the tip. It is pump action. So, there was a big, yellow jug of water on top, like a big, like, mortar looking thing, whatever. If you go to Dollarama, you'll find these somewhere in the toys. And it had a big orange ring and a stand here, black stand. And so my friend and me spray painted this, and it looks nice now. We didn't spray paint that because I had the muzzle thing on it, and it's kind of splitting apart. And I have tape right on my computer. Yeah, you can see that right on the finger. Oh, oops. Alright, so like that. So like that. So I'm gonna show you how to take it apart today. Alright. So we'll start off with taking out all the screws. There's a lot of screws. Well, loosening them anyway. Yeah. This so far. I've only got a couple. Almost done. Kind of. Right, so like this. And this screw. And then do the next screw. And it should be good. Yeah. Oh, one. Yeah. And do the screw very well. I don't think I did either. Oh, oops. Hold on a second, guys. Travis! Can you grab me a bowl, please? Oh. What's this for daisies? Just cute. Alright. So we're going to take out screws. Okay guys, this is a little bit difficult. This might be a long video. If I can't get this done in 10 minutes, I'm gonna have to do it in parts. Getting a crack in it. Fall out! Bitch. Finally! Victory is mine! Oh, okay, so now I have to get these screws done on the pump thing. And then we'll try and be good to go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try and do this as quick as I can before my computer starts being gay again. Alright, so I have to get that out and this out. Alright, so if you look at it now, it's good. First look at it. Now, oh, oops, I got one screw. If you look at it now, it's fine. If you look at it now, I'm taking it apart. So we got this apart so far. So those are two pieces. Alright, so I cannot do this. It is not letting me take it apart. Wait, whoops. Where did the screwdriver go? Here, there's. Oh, right here. Tricky bastard. Oh, bitch. Alright, so now I can take that off. Remove it. Feel that. Everything's nice, huh? So set that down. The parts. There's that. Oh, whoops. Hold on a second, guys. I have to do something. There's that. Alright, so now I'm gonna start pulling out cords and stuff. So there's this. The pump action thing. So, there's that. The grease ring around it, around there. The little rubber thing. Alright, so like that. So I'm gonna take the main piece out with the little tip on it. Alright, so that'll go with the parts. Right down here. And I'm gonna take out trigger. And the spring that was on that was holding something on. Alright, so there's the little spring. There's the trigger. Okay, so like this. Alright. So we've got to take this spring thingy out. So guys, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you aren't, I'm sorry. This is a crappy video, I betcha. There's the spring that was holding the trigger, and so when you squeeze it, it would go down, and then it would come back. I'm gonna put the springs in the bolts first. And then the little part where that ring was on. Alright, now this thing is completely stripped. Right down. To the bone. I'm gonna hold my m16. Alright, so now, this part does not have the stop on it, but this part does. And like, this isn't the main part, but this is the main part right here. Alright, so I'll put it back down. That's right there. Put back down this right here. Sound like I got two m16s. Yeah. Alright. So, that's how you do it. Fully stripped and everything. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Join me back for the part where I rebuild it. Bye.